Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick video about how to use the corrections document and basically just how to go through the features on any quiz that you might have gotten a low grade on. And this is to help you recover and just show you that process. So I have my two screens next to each other. On the left over here is a screen that might have some of your questions, and there should be small indications of red and green indicating which ones you got correct and incorrect. On the right is the assignment that says corrections, all the corrections. Right now it is just resting on top of this class, and you can see it right there. So you click on top of that, and you're going to open the document, and it's just going to be this. So you will digitally, you will copy and paste Control-C, what that is, and then you will put the date. And then whatever question you did get incorrect, you can just copy that question. And then you want to put like whatever your answer is. That was your incorrect answer. And then you want to put in the correct answer. And then you want to put in your justification. And basically your justification is why did you change your answer? And maybe this was, I looked it up. I Googled it. I checked my notes. Whatever it is that kind of had you change the answer. Why do you now believe that this, why do you believe that this is now the correct answer? So you're able to go through those, and you'll just methodically go through, and you'll get half credit for each one of these. And then when you want to do the next assignment, for some reason, if there's another assignment, you just do the same thing. You just copy the name of the assignment, put down the question, what you said, and then the correct answer, why you changed it. And that'll help you recover those points. That's it. Get to it. Hope you learned something.